Hello again, and welcome to another episode of my ongoing HTML5 The Basic series. In this episode, I'm going to be covering the progress tag. Now, the progress tag is new to HTML5. It's kind of an interesting tag. It is a progress bar, as simple as that. It takes a couple of attributes, so we'll go ahead and create a progress tag here. And we'll give it an attribute of max, which we'll put to 100, and then value, which we'll set to, let's say, 25. It's a good quarter. So we're going to save that off. We'll go ahead and take a look at our site, and you'll see we now have a very beautiful progress bar. Now, it's actually kind of useful to use this. You don't have to worry about JavaScript progress bars, making divs, giving them CSS styling, or things along those lines, because the browser itself will handle not only the little glowy part as well as the background part. Certain browsers like the Edge Chrome, you can actually style them, so you can like change the backgrounds and stuff. There's not a lot you can do because the progress bar is based on not only the browser that you're using, but also the operating system that you're using. So similar to the way Java, not JavaScript, widgets work, and that they kind of work based off of the UI of the operating system you're on, it's very similar to how the progress bar works on HTML. But it is still very useful because you don't have to worry about having all these extra graphics or background images and things like that we used to do for these types of things. So that's really just about it. It does take, of course, all the global attributes and events that you need to play with it and style it. But like I said, the styling is a bit limited. But other than that, it's super useful. Another quick mention is if you're doing any kind of JavaScript, this becomes very powerful because you can actually, use the loading bar to say, hey, we're loading this image, we're loading this file, and actually have a very similar to a desktop experience loading without having to fall back on something like Flash or bulk loading. Anyways, that's been it. Thanks for watching. Peace.